My F applied, the question tells me my F applied is 30 newtons. Okay, so that's right here. It tells me I'm pulling the wagon at an angle of 30 degrees with a force of 30 newtons. So this is my force applied, is 30 newtons. Okay. And then I have a normal force. So most people, when you ask them, when I say, what is the normal force here, they would say that it equals 19.6 newtons, okay? But it's not. And the reason for that is because in this question, if these two were both equal but opposite, you would be left with this F applied here. And do you see how the F applied has two components to it? It has an X component, a horizontal component, which we'll call X, and it also has a vertical component, which we will call Y. Now, if these two forces were to cancel out, the normal and the force of gravity, we would still be left with a Y component of the F apply. We'd have this Y component here, which means that our wagon would be flying up into the sky, and we don't want that to happen. We want to make it so that all of the Y components cancel one another out.